highly controversial. We all know it. The result is out. Messi is the Ballon d'Or winner. Many people aren't happy. Tony Cruz clearly said, as great as Messi has been, and he mentioned Ronaldo as well, saying they have been the best in the last 2 decades, but Lewandowski should have won it.
Zlatan
Zlatan
also said it.
Ibrahimovic also coming out and talking about it, saying that Lewandowski deserved to win it. Shubham, you talk about this because I mean, I can go on, but I want to hear it from someone else.
So I feel in terms of Messi winning the Ballon d'Or was it just wasn't justified. I think it is very, very unfair that Lewandowski hasn't won it. This is a total case of robbery. I don't understand as to like what has Messi achieved that he deserves the Ballon d'Or. In the league, he won the Copa del Rey, which honestly is no great achievement. And okay, he won a national trophy with Argentina. They won Copa America, but again, like the Copa America is not as competitive as the European trophies that happen. And Lewandowski in the last 2 seasons, I think he scored like over 100 goals or something like that. In last year when he didn't win the Ballon d'Or because the Ballon d'Or awards didn't happen due to COVID. I think he scored like some 60 goals or something like that. This season, he scored some 40, 47 goals already. In terms of goal scoring, he's been top notch. He has won the Champions League. He's won the Bundesliga repeatedly, and he still doesn't win the Ballon d'Or. Like, it doesn't make sense anymore. It really doesn't make sense. And when this time top class players are coming out in the open and they're expressing disbelief and also expressing the fact that like what is this nonsense, right? If you're just going to hand it over to Messi all the time when he doesn't deserve it, then what's the point of the award ceremony? Like, why are all the other top players called? Like, what? Just so that they can stand and clap for Messi? Just not fair.
You know what the most embarrassing thing for Lewandowski would have been, and it's so shameful, was when they created this award of best striker award and then
Dude, that is
awarded it to him.
bullshit. Yeah, absolute
That
bullshit.
was so ridiculous. Firstly, Lewandowski should have won the Ballon d'Or last season itself when but they decided to cancel it because of COVID, which was ridiculous because most of the leagues didn't cancel their championships. It's the same concept, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So it didn't make any sense to me that they did that. They basically didn't want anyone but Messi to win, it seems. So then they were like, okay. And last season there was no doubt. It was a given that it was going to Lewandowski last season.
Messi
He
himself said
got
it in his acceptance speech that Lewandowski should have got it last year. So I tell you what you're saying, that it seems like they don't want anyone to win other than Messi. That for the longest time, people thought that that is just like a conspiracy, haters saying against Messi and stuff like that. But it actually feels that's the case. It feels like the French organization that runs the Ballon d'Or and the journalists or whatever politics is involved in it, they just want Messi to win it all the time.
Shubham, like, yeah, there's everyone says, oh, you're being a Messi hater and you love Ronaldo too much, you're being unbiased, but it's not about that. I still stand by the fact that I would still say Messi is the better player that as compared to Ronaldo. And I know and I'm a United fan, so there is a bias there for Ronaldo. But it, if you just won it just because of your legacy and all of that, then Federer should be having 50 Grand Slams.
Correct.
It's so stupid. It doesn't make any sense. He got 613 points. Firstly, who are these people who have voted for him? I'm trying to figure that out. 613. And if so many players are crying foul over it, it's definitely not them who've given those votes, right? Media outlets, I don't know. I highly
Apparently,
doubt so many of them would be
apparently
giving them votes
for
as
the
well.
Ballon d'Or voting, there are some top journalists who vote, and I think there are country captains who vote for the award. So what you rightly said, the fact that so many players are coming out in the open and saying that Lewandowski deserved it. So it seems like at least from the player fraternity, there could have been a lot of votes going to Lewandowski. So Messi has still won the award. It's quite clear that it's got to do with journalists and media houses, and yeah, this is
Yeah,
not something that
it's probably just a money agenda again. I love how every episode we keep coming back to this. But basically, obviously, if Messi wins, the broadcasting, I mean, advertisements, the brands, the bonuses that these companies would get because they have tie-ups with Messi. It's absurd. It's got to be that. There's got to be some agenda to it, and everyone's crying foul, and rightfully so, because, like you said, there's no value to this anymore. These
So then
guys
it
are
become like
going playing
stupid
day in
Filmfare
day out.
Awards, man, where people come and just these stupid sponsors are there, and any actor who's there, just give them the award, and that's about it. You can't make the Ballon d'Or the fucking Manik Chand sponsored Filmfare Award, right? There has to be a standard maintained.
I don't. It's the perfect example, man. You hit the nail on the head with that one. It's like the Manik Chand Filmfare Awards, right?
Yeah, dude, it loses its credibility.
It does. It does. I. Oh God, man! Like you took the words out of my mouth up with that one. I need some time to process that. The Manik Chand Filmfare Awards, the Messi Chand Filmfare Awards. Sounds good. Sounds good. Has a nice ring to it as well.